Welcome back, guys, to another video from X-70 Dragon Ball Z. And today, tonight is Bonfire night. And yeah, so I'm not really a big fan of Bonfire night, but we've got I am a big fan, but I'm just getting older. That's the thing. So I just got some fireworks here. Oh, it's not ready yet, but yeah. It's called Lucky Star. Yes, and there's 15 pieces, and it's called Lucky Star. And then these kind of fireworks are in it. So, and we also have sparklers. So, hope you have a good bonfire night today, and see you next time. Goodbye.